Checking out this SENCUT knife. They call this one the Squiggy. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. The SENCUTs all come along in a nylon pouch with a zipper, their logo and stuff on it. When we open it up, we'll get a logo sticker, a sticker with one of their knives. That's pretty neat. We've got a microfiber cloth with their logo on it and warranty information. Of course, then we got the knife itself. This Squiggy is a pretty large one, super easy to open, really nice handle. This one is the G10 in green. Of course, they make them in different colors. This one has the blackened 9CR18 MOV blade and a button lock, which makes it super easy to close. I like that it has the slot. You can open it that way. It has the lever in the back, can easily be opened that way. And because it's a button lock, you can just push the button and open it that way. But this one has enough heft that you could do it that way as well. Really like the overall shape of this one. The blade is really nice. It's a good size. You've got tip-up carry that is reversible to either side. There's a lanyard hole at the top here. And again, some really stylish G10 green grips in this option. There we go. The SENCUT and the button lock, of course, is designed to stay closed when it's closed with just enough tension, stay open when it's open, until you push the lock and then it closes. It also stays there. Really like this one. Hope this helps.